everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to do a very highly requested video, which is the Wanderer's makeup tutorial. I actually wanted to improve his cosplay since I did it before and this will be my third time doing it. I got some new makeup that I want to test out, so this will be a new look for me, as well as I'll get to see the results of it, but stay tuned for the video and let's get started. I'm actually going to start out with my natural face. I don't use a lot of products, so I don't use foundation in a lot of my cosplays. I haven't found a foundation color that I actually like, so I just use my natural skin and I moisturize it and I keep it clean. I don't use a lot of makeup on it. Feel free to ask any questions if you have any tips, tricks, or if you are curious about more cosplay makeup tutorials that you want to see from me. Please comment below and I'd love to hear your suggestions. So before we get started, I just want to point out a few of the products that I will be using today that I'm going to be experimenting with. I don't even know if it's gonna work out or be how it's gonna look. I'm kind of just experimenting. So the first thing that I bought was this Maybelline Tattoo Studio. It is the color Ultra Pink, and I think this was limited edition or something like that. I wanted to do it for the Wanderer's under eye, and I decided that he needed to have a darker color, so then I picked out another liner, and this one is by Joah, and this is an Auto Lip liner. I chose the lip liner because it's darker in pigment and shade, and I don't think the pink is gonna cut it, but we'll just have to test it out and see. So this is in the color Wine. And then for the corner of his eyes, I wanted to try out this NYX Vivid Rich, and it's a mechanical liner. It is the color Quartz Queen, and I wanted to try that, so I'm going to test that out. And this is the color that I use all the time for the inner corner of my eyes, as well as the corner of my eyes. And this is Unstoppable by Maybelline, and this one is Cinnabar. So I use this all the time to do contouring, and it's just more precise than the actual contour. I feel like it really gets into the depth of the face, and I like to use it. So these are the products that I'm going to be testing out. I don't know if they're going to work. We're going to see the final results at the end, and I'll do like a photo slideshow so you can see my little photo shoot as well. So let's get started. everyone, so I finished with my wig and I still got to style it a little bit, but I wanted to show you the final result, and this is the final result. I really like how the eye makeup came out because it was my first time trying it with the different liners that I chose and also the eyeshadow pencil thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will leave photos after this so you can see the photo shoot and the whole process, and I will see you loves later.